What's up, guys? My name is Sebastian Stratman. I hope you guys are having a great day and we'll continue having one. This is my Infiniti Q60 and today we are going to do a POV Touge run up Emigration Canyon, as long as it's not super busy. Last time I went up there it was, but we're going to try it again, but this time as a first person. Last time I did third person. Hope you guys like the video and we're going to go on from here. While I am sitting here waiting for this red light to turn green, I figure I might as well just tell you guys, in this entire video I am not speeding. I never break the speed limit. The posted speed limit that is there is what I am going. My speedometer is broken, so if it does say any higher, it's genuinely not working. But other than that, this is going to be a super fun drive, and I really hope that the traffic does ease up and the second portion of this mountain is open. Last time it was not. All right, so I just got to the second half. It does look like it's open. I'm just letting the queue cool down for a second. I did get the wind guard for the GoPro, so hopefully you guys can actually hear me, but might as well, before we actually get going on the actual drive, tell you what's going on with it, and just in case you've never seen the channel before or don't know about this car. So this car is mainly built for track use. I have the drilled and slotted rotors, 4-piston big brake kit from Z1, as well as FERRADA FR2s and the Goodyear SUPERCAR C3s, as well as full suspension, including like toe, camber, and caster in the rear. And then I got upgraded control arms in the front. We have the MBRP CATBACK exhaust, AMS downpipes, as well as the AMS intakes. A few other goodies, but other than tune, that's what makes this car this car. It's really fun. There's a lot that I still want to do to it, but I think we go ahead and get started on our drive. Alright, well, here we go. Let this car go ahead of us just a little bit and then we'll get started. Wait till the next car to come and then we'll go. Alright, traction control is off. We're in sport mode, high boost. Here we go. Yeah, these people are extremely slow. I've hit plenty of traffic, but hopefully I have a few good clips for us.
was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
I don't know where this is, but oil hot. Need to pull over like ASAP. Brakes hot too. Everything hot. Alright guys, so I'm getting to the end of the cruise here and I'm probably gonna head home. Just figured I'd let you guys know if you guys did like this kind of content, or you guys do like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, even comment. It definitely urges me to make more. I do want to make weekly videos, that is my plan. I've done third-person POVs, I've done actual first-person POVs. I can do it all, just let me know what you'd like. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great one. Peace.